From the high desert foothills, the Gigafactory shines like a beacon of innovation. Beneath the vast solar roof and the glowing Tesla name, thousands of people and machines work in harmony. Clean corridors lead to a floor alive with robots, craftsmanship, and bright...
All right, another load of coils coming in.
Copy that. Forklift 3's on it.
Watch your left, we're clear for the conveyor.
Lining up. Good. Rolling.
Thickness at spec, sending it forward.
Truck 2 is leaving bay 4 now.
Roger that. We'll stage the next set.
Inventory updated. Shipping dock signed.
Perfect. Keep it moving, team.
Perfect. Let's close the cycle with batch 72 QC passed.
On it.
Press cycle engaged. Standby. Pressure climbing. 90%. Forming.
Clean full. Surface looks perfect.
Logging dimensions now.
Another panel ready for body line.
At the heart of Tesla's body shop, raw aluminum becomes precision. One button, thousands of tons of force. A sheet of metal transforms under the press, carved into a single seamless door panel. Lifted weightlessly by the overhead crane, the new form
Surface feels good. No ripple.
Proves at 12.04 with inspect.
Copy. Logging it.
Approved. Let's get it to storage.
Pulling 6B219 next.
Got it.
All right, set.
Locked in. Looks clean.
Perfect. Rack's ready for the line.
Press starting. Green light.
Cycle looks good. Holding position.
Conveyor engaged. Hood's on its way.
Roof panel coming in. Watch your corners.
Lined up, ready to drop.
Pressing now.
Looks clean, sending to rack.
Verified. That's number 12 this run.
Keep the flow steady. Next sheet staged.
Inside the brightest corner of Tesla's Gigafactory, the world's largest die-casting machine goes to work. At the heart of it, this giga-press, molten aluminum is poured with surgical precision, a river of light captured by layers of steel. Operators orchestrate the cycle from a ring of touch.
4 looks smooth. Temps holding at 701.
Graph's climbing. We need to keep it under 710.
Copy. Flow rate steady.
Fully uniform across the faceplate. No hot spots.
Crane's ready. Clear on your side.
Clear. Lift away.
Load cell reading 13 kilonewtons and holding.
Precision starts here. Every gigacast is scanned by thousands of laser points, mapping every contour in real time. Advanced software compares each measurement to tolerances tighter than a human hair. When it passes, automation takes over, guiding the part through the factory.
Clamp cycle engaged.
Closing now.
Copy.
Press pressure climbing, we're locked.
Ejection starting. 10 seconds.
Flow stable. Let it cool.
Incomplete, ready to open.
Opening mold.
There it is. Looks perfect.
Crane up. Clear on your side.
Clear.
Lowering to the stand.
Scan reads with inspect. One piece rear casting.
Vendor tour complete. Numbers match.
Copy. Moving to hood latch calibration.
Line 3, we just crossed 327 units. Throughput holding at 95%.
Looks good on our end. Model Y roof weld starting in 5.
Confirmed. Keep the pace steady. We'll hit target.
At Tesla's structural center, 2 gigacasts, front and rear, are brought together with micron-level precision. Continuous alignment sensors lock them into place. Engineers then fuse the castings, laying a flawless weld bead that bonds the entire underbody as one.
Move. Laser lock. Hold.
Level confirmed. 0 deviation.
Tack front hinge.
Tack rear.
Sparks on.
Side panel secured. Body rolling.
Perfect fit. Next car in.
Prevented.
Lowering now. Eyes on alignment.
Holding steady. Center line looks good.
Adhesive bead complete.
Bringing it down.
Contact.
Pressure set. Confirmed.
Weld at A-pillar. Done.
Bond line looks uniform all the way around.
Tablet shows green.
Structural protocol passed. Roof's locked in.
Lining up there.
Holding steady. Go ahead.
Bolts in. Green light.
Copy.
Bringing the lid down. Hinges engaged.
Let's check the gaps.
3.2 millimeters. Perfect.
Data saved. She's in spec.
Send it to the next station.
Every spark, every weld. Precision in motion. This is how we build.
Laser grid's clean on the left flank. No deviation beyond 0.01.
Copy that. Running the rear quarter now. Grid stable, surface pass.
All panels green. Blocking the report.
QC pass on my side. Ready for transfer.
Lifts engaging. Hook secure. Coming
Smooth
up.
rise. Alignment looks perfect.
Off the...
Copy. Drip rate looks good. Let's move it to cure.
Infrared oven ramping up. Zone 1 at 176 Celsius energy draw is 58 kilowatts.
Smooth flow. Finish is tightening nicely.
coming through. Align with the guide rail.
Got it. Pendant at slow speed.
Pressure stable. Brushes at 1800 RPM.
Particle count trending down. Cycle looks clean.
Surface charge sitting at 10 kilovolts, dropping.
Quality
Good.
screen reads within spec.
Ready for primer prep.
Copy. Bringing sprayers online.
Coverage at
Reading stabilized, 102.5 micron.
Laser scan complete. No deviations flagged. Surface feels flawless.
Copy, marking approved.
Proof stamp is live on the record.
Another one through with perfect paint.
Sending the report now.
All right, let's roll it out.
Precision in motion. This is Tesla's final assembly hall. Hundreds of skilled technicians and automated systems converge here to marry painted bodies to rolling chassis with millimeter accuracy. The blue shell glides down on its hoist, guided by sensors and steps.
In Tesla's climate-controlled booths, color comes to life with scientific precision. Skilled painters and robotic systems layer atomized particles into flawless, mirror-smooth coats. Pearl white, midnight silver, deep blue, red multi-coat, solid black, each...
Flow's good on the fender. Overlap at 50%.
Copy that. Rear quarters even. Final pass now.
All right, clear's on. Let's take her to cure.
Surface is glass, no orange peel.
Perfect. Mark it for final assembly.
Good, hold it there.
Lined up on the studs. Go ahead.
Connector seated, click. Torque coming in.
That's one.
Pull in line lock.
Pressure check looks clean. Say when.
Checklist green across the board. Ready for roll.
Sending it down line.
Slide in on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Locks are seated. That's flush.
Beautiful. Let's move to the console.
Charging pad aligned. Cup holders clipped in.
Feels solid. Seats next.
Front bolts are in.
Torque is good.
Screen's live.
Climate responds. We're set.
Clean install. Looks great.
Lower arms torque. 42 Newton meters confirmed.
Copy. Holding the upper.
Damper going in. Lined on the mark. Top nut coming to 50.
Check. Smooth rotation.
Brakes clear. Hub ready.
Last lug. 175.
Green across the board.
Festic lift. Keep it level. Guiding. Dropping in 3, 2, 1.
Seated. Go pressure.
Adhesive flow steady at 3.4. Side window aligned.
Rear glass in. Seal looks perfect.
Tesla acoustic and aero glass fully installed. Designed for silence.
Rear's coming up. Green lasers on target.
Copy. 2 millimeters left.
Micro adjust. Hold. That's it. Lock pins seated.
Alignment lights just went green.
Starting fasteners. Torque spec 90 Newton meters.
Connectors engaged. High voltage handshake good. All bolts verified. Pack secure.
Installation complete.
Structural battery.
Aligning the last connector. Good. Light steady.
Crimp locked. Harness secure.
Software sync progressing. Powertrain pass. Autopilot next.
FSD module seated. Ready to bring it online.
Here we go.
Displays alive. Systems green across the board.
Autopilot self-test complete. Let's drive the sim.
Path lines.
Up a touch. There. Slide it in. Got it? Yep. Clips are lined. On 3. And it's home. Badge going on. Matrix headlights seated. Powering up.
Sequential test. Good sweep.
Logging it. Mirror signal fired. Angle lock.
Charging door opening. Green light. Connection solid.
All right. She's wrapped.
Looks sharp. Let's roll her to final inspection.
At Tesla, precision starts here. The front drive unit, our performance motor, is lowered into place by hand, every millimeter checked. Steering and electronic power assist are mounted with the same care, torque verified to the Newton meter. With the subframe seated, the team locks in handling
Front left ready. Lining up.
Right side clear. Let's seat them.
Engaging torque in 3, 2, go.
Sensors are live. 42 psi across.
Final torque.
Center caps on.
Lowering.
Weight on suspension. Nice.
Alignment reads green across the board.
Perfect. Next one ready.
Lining up on the hinge side. Hold it right there. Got it. Connector locked. Green light. Perfect. Bringing the card in.
Lasers on. We're 210s high at the front.
Adjusting.
Reading
Now.
3.5.
That's green. Rear speaker test pass. We're good to close. Let's seal it up. That's the gap we're looking for.
Coolant guns live. Flow rate steady at 5 liters per minute.
Copy. Brake fluid looks low. I'm topping it now.
Tablet shows target is 5 liters even. We're at 4.8 and done.
Locking it out.
Refrigerant charge adding 60 grams, pressure dropping to 7.8 bar right on spec.
Nice. Let's button her up.
Ethernet's in. Link lights are green.
Connection verified. Bringing up the vision suite.
Checkerboard feed looks sharp. Starting calibration now.
78%. It's tracking perfectly.
And calibration complete. Autopilot handoff.
Vision system ready. Let's take her out.
Autopilot engaged. Steering looks smooth.
Headlight detail looks good. Protective film almost off.
Copy that. Marking it.
Last strip coming up.
Logo polished. Interior clean.
Looks flawless. Let's finalize.
Delivery approved.
Perfect. Tag it.
On it.
All right. We're at 117, 118. Power holding at 325.
Copy. Everything on the screen looks solid. I'm pulling drive unit temps now.
Graph is steady. Go ahead.
Climate lights, driver assist all green. Moving to summary.
Water test starting.
Seals check out. Uploading report.
All set. Enjoy the drive.
Thanks, everyone.
Gates are opening now.